Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to September 30 VOLTHA TST call. This call will be recorded and uploaded to the social media. So first point, I'll start off with the webinar. So I'm supposed to uh, start a draft and sync up with account on this. I haven't had time as of now. This week I'll draft something and sync up with account. September is in today. I don't see account, but yeah, I'll sync up. And on the next point, we've seen some issues with the Gerrit that raised, and few issues are resolved. I think so. There's still a few pipelines which are not running, like this Protos is not running in this pipeline. It's getting stuck somewhere. Is it? I'm not sure if it's related to what we have seen till now recently. But you got a chance to check, Eric?
No, I hadn't looked at that. Did you open a ticket for that?
Okay, I had opened one pipeline problem that is on the Volta help charts. Let me open one for this. I'll open it again. Yes.
Okay.
But you got anything why the Gerrit was on and off from the past?
I'm not sure what the cause was yet. It may be related to the SAML plugin, or it could be an issue with the database, because changing over to the new login essentially created a whole bunch of new entries into the user database. So I'm still troubleshooting it. I have added some monitoring to it so that I will get alerts rather than um, needing to wait for someone from the community to proactively tell us that it's down.
Okay.
Yeah, that was one of the big issues, was simply that we were getting long down times because we didn't have any alerting going on.
Mhm. Okay, then probably wait and watch.
Uh,
The,
but yeah, in terms of pipelines running, there shouldn't be any issues with that right now. So please,
okay,
yeah, open a ticket and give me the details, and I'll take a look.
sure. I'll open it for that. And on the same lines for Gerrit, I see a few folks are not uh, getting access to Gerrit. I'm not sure because few folks who have already been previously working and they haven't logged in for quite a for a few months now, and when they try to log in, the Gerrit it's giving some SAML to client server error, and they try to log in. A few users.
Yeah, anybody who's having login issues just also needs to open a support ticket.
Oh, okay. Mhm. Sure. Then I'll raise one more ticket for that as well. Okay. Mm, on the next, there are few reviews to be done. So I have addressed the protos which we discussed in the previous call for the ONU enable and disable plom. So Maher, Sarkan, please have a look once. Though the pipeline there is some problem, but I have addressed all the comments. And another change that I want to discuss about today is Okay, sorry. Okay. Hmm. Yeah. Uh, this is one more interface change which I have pushed. So this is to update a device configuration, especially for now only OLT. So as of now, once we have a device added already with an IP address, so Volta is not supporting if the IP address of the OLT changes. Okay, so this is the RPC which will be invoked from northbound to inform Volta that the IP of an OLT is changed. So the adapter will have to reinitiate the connection, and then everything should fall in place. So these are the proto changes, and also I have added, as of now, this is the structure. As of now, I have added only the IP address because that's the only thing as of now we are updating. As and when we have something else to update, we can append to the structure. So straightforward RPC call. Maher, everyone, please have a look once. Provide your comments. Before that, any questions on this? Why do we need and how we would achieve it?
Abhilash,
Yeah.
can you hear me? So I'm driving currently, so might be my voice might be breaking. But the question is, are you only changing the IP of the address in the database or handling the connection issues, etc.? I mean, if the OLT is already connected or not, you know, these kinds of cases, corner cases.
Yes.
Have you implemented them?
Yes. So this will also write to the DB in core and also handle the connection in the OLT adapter. So
Okay.
the connection will be reset. So at this point of time, right, it is 90% sure that OLT has lost its connectivity to the adapter. Why? Because the IP has changed.
Yeah,
No.
yeah, probably. I mean, in the normal case, yeah.
Yeah, in normal case. But either way, we'll handle all the scenarios as well. So when this update device comes, the adapter will reinitiate the gRPC connection to the OLT using the new IP address.
Okay, thanks. I couldn't have the chance to check the current patches. Sorry for that. It was a hectic week, but I will do my best to check them this week, tomorrow, or until the Friday at least.
Yeah, sure, please.
Okay,
So,
thank you.
yeah, this is the interface change, and the actual changes in the adapter and code will follow once we are in agreement with the proper changes. Okay. That's on the reviews. I haven't put any more reviews here. There are quite a few because these are interface changes and a few are libraries. So that's why I put them here. But either way, there are quite a few patches which needs to be reviewed. Please have a look once. Provide your comments. All right. Anything else on the agenda? That's all I had for this week.
I have something, a heads up for Eric. You know, board may change the IT terms for the next year. So this GitHub Actions thing should be finalized until the end of the year. So only a reminder for Eric.
Okay. Yeah. I will need I'm definitely going to need some help from the community to get changes through and hopefully do some implementation on that. But yeah, we're looking to get that done as soon as possible.
Okay, please reach out us via mail or Slack. I mean, if we don't see the patches and do not respond in time, please inform us via the Slack and email as I said. Okay,
Yep, will do.
thank you.
Yeah, we have started moving. Eric, I think so. Last call we planned of moving the BBSIM first to the GitHub action. We've started it, or we are yet to?
I haven't started implementing that yet. I've got a few things ahead of that right now. But yeah, once I get to work on the actions, that'll be the first one.
Okay, sure, no worries. All right. Floor is open. Anything else from anyone? All right. Thank you all. Have a nice rest of the week. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.